Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark audio beat with InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application. And first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created with InShot. And I'm going to add my audio to this project. I'm going to select music and I'm going to choose music from the InShot library. I'm going to choose this category and let's choose one of the music. I'm going to choose this one, for example. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and I'm going to add this audio to the project. And then guys, if you want to add beat mark or mark audio beat, you can go to the beats menu right here, and then you can manually mark the audio beat or you can activate the audio beat feature. And for me, I'm just going to activate the audio beat. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment and the beat marks will be added automatically, as you can see. And I'm going to click on the check mark and we can sing the transition with the beat mark. But wait guys, I think I need to change the intensity. Okay, let's choose this intensity and I'm going to click on the check mark. And then here we can adjust our transition or the cut to the beat mark, just like this. Yeah, it's very useful to match the cut with the beat mark. Yeah, you just need to adjust it one by one like this. And I hope in the future there will be a feature that can adjust the beat mark automatically with the transition, so we don't need to do this manually. Okay, done. And I'm going to play it. And I'm sorry, I cannot play it louder due to the copyright. Okay, but yeah, just like this. With this feature, you can match your audio beat with the transition. Okay guys, and that's how we can mark audio beat with InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!